In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export OneNote Windows 10. If you want to save your notes outside of OneNote, share them more easily, or keep a copy as a document you can open almost anywhere, exporting to PDF is a simple and reliable option. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along on your own computer. To begin, open your page in the OneNote app on your desktop. Make sure you're in the correct notebook and looking at the content you want to export. It's a good idea to quickly review the page before moving on, just to confirm everything you need is there and properly organized. Since the export will capture your notebook content as it appears in OneNote, this quick check can save time later. Once your page is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This will open the main menu where OneNote gives you access to settings and file-related options. If you don't usually work in this menu, don't worry. Everything you need for exporting is located here. From the menu on the left-hand side, choose Export. This section is specifically designed for creating a copy of your notes in another format. When you open it, you'll see a few options that let you decide exactly what you want to export and how you want to save it. Next, choose Notebook. This tells OneNote that you want to export the notebook in that category rather than another type of item. Be sure you select the correct option here so the export matches what you intend to save. After that, move to the Format section and choose PDF. PDF is one of the most useful formats because it's easy to share, easy to print, and usually keeps the layout of your notes consistent across different devices. This is especially helpful if you're sending your notes to someone who doesn't use OneNote. Now click Export. At this point, OneNote will prepare the file and prompt you to decide where you want to save it. Depending on the size of your notebook, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds if needed. Finally, choose your destination folder and click Save. Pick a location that's easy to remember, such as your desktop or Documents folder, so you can find the file quickly afterward. Once saved, your OneNote export will be available as a PDF ready to view, share, or archive. And that's it. You've successfully exported your OneNote content in Windows 10.